And I do another challenge. If I like these products, I will. So use these as priming the eye first. That is what you do first. For you newbies out there. Let me stop pretending. I'm not really the best person when it comes to makeup, but I do alright. My aunt said I make my makeup and nails look professional, but honey, I've been doing my nails a long time. I've been a makeup girl a long time, so I think I may have put too much on, pour too much out as far as eyeshadow insurance. But I'm gonna use it all because who knows how good this makeup is from the Dollar Tree. Make sure you subscribe. Like, I have no subscribers. Subscribe to my channel. Support me. I support so many YouTubers. Support me, please. And I think I want to do like a brown look a little bit. I think I want to start with like a ooh, they got this like peachy pink color. I think I'm gonna start with that. Oh, let me show you the one that I'm using. I'm using Color Matte, and I'm just taking a little bit of, see if I could show you this color right here, and I'm just putting it all over my lid. I might be able to use my freaking camera to show you. I really love a purple. I mean, not purple, but oranges, golds, and browns look really good on me. But this might be a little too light. See, right now I'm going to have to blend it out with some, gotta make sure it's blended in the inner corner and the outer corner. Okay, and it doesn't look too bad. I'm definitely gonna have to blend it out with some dark brown. Okay, and I think I'm just gonna take some of the brown and put that in the inner outer V. I'm really liking this so far. So far, so good. So far, so good. Not too bad. I feel like I need to blend it some more though. Not too bad. Not the best one when it comes to doing these makeup tutorials, but I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit more. Blend it with this. Let me just look in my mirror. It doesn't look bad at all. Just gonna say that. And using these little ones, I do not like using very little ones. But I'm gonna take this darker brown, and just so you know, let me show you the one right here is what I use on my outer V. So I know in tutorials they do that, so they have to show you. Then on the upper part, just the upper brow, I think I want to use the darker brown, just to, hopefully I won't I have to blend it out like a lot. I have to put it on and blend it out. Got to blend it out. Blend. You have to mix this up to make it look decent. You got to mix it up to make it look decent. I think I am gonna put I'm gonna do the same for this other eye. Shout out to whoever started this freaking makeup trend, just to, cause some people really don't be sleeping on the dollar store. Like I would have never known all bad stuff, and they stuff be looking alright, but once you start using stuff like Too Faced, it's like, why in the world would I ever want to go to the Dollar Tree to buy some freaking makeup? Like a lot of people. Okay. I don't want this video to be too long. I got to go on to the next look I want to do. Sometimes you need a mirror just to see even more so. Okay, and I think I am going to take just a little bit. I use this at the top, and I think I'm going to take a little bit of this color and just put that just a little bit on the top towards the, just a little bit right here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, you probably won't even notice that's there, but that's a little. Just a little bit on the inner side. It'll highlight the brow a little bit. Blend it out, blend it out. Okay, now on to the mascara, and I'm using Wet n Wild. Now this Wet n Wild is a very good name brand. I think they fell off the map. That's why they're at the Dollar Tree. And my freaking eyes on the other eye, my eyelashes are so freaking skinny that I don't have a lot because I plucked them out accidentally when I was like 15. Let's see, right now it's decent. I mean, I wouldn't brag about the freaking eyeshadow. I mean mascara. Eyeshadow was alright. Okay, it's alright. Okay. Now it's time for the blush. The blush. I'm using LA Colors blush. And I'm not the best person when it comes to blush, and I'm gonna do my lipstick, but let me smile and do my blush. blush. Oh, Lordy. I'm doing a video. See, right now I'm gonna have to do like some. LA Colors is alright. This blush is just like, Jesus. Blend it out, 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 blend it out. Oh Lord, I don't know how I like this blush. I'm not really here for this blush. Not at all. No to the blush. No to the blush. It don't look too bad on this cheek. I gotta blend it out some more. Maybe that's why. Okay, so the blush is all right. It's all right. I probably need just a little bit more right here. It looks better in pictures than it does on this camera. Just tell you that right now. And don't come for me too hard. My goodness. I may have to like get a thing or something before I take some pics. And last but very not least, LA Colors Lipstick Lip Gloss Duo. I love this color right here. My lips are not too chapped. Like an orangey brown. Oh my God. It's a lot of build up. You gotta like. The color is pretty though. Oh, we'll have my American Horror Story review up today. I'll probably wear this look when I do it. I just don't want to be too long because I don't want to edit too much of this video. But the color's pretty. Now for the lipstick or the lip gloss. Ooh, has a vanilla smell to it. Anyway, this is the look with all the stuff I got from the Dollar Tree. Like I said, I love the eyeshadow is nice. The mascara is like nothing to really talk about. The blush I wasn't really here for, but I'm not the best when it comes to blushing. I might need to remove just a little bit and it might look better once I blend it, once I put a highlight in. And the lipstick is good. I like the color. If I just wanted like a quick look on my lips, I might pull it out and do it. Anyway, that's the look. Looks much better in the mirror and in real life than it does on camera. Anyway, like this video. Tell me if you want to do a Dollar Tree makeup challenge, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at @ThatVirgoVixen, and I will be back to do a beauty concept tutorial as well.